Hello viewers, in this program we are going to see how to initialize variables in class and before main method and after main method. So here we are going to create one program, that is lab.java. We are saving and write public class lab and opening this class. Next, main method we are going to write public static void main string aux. I am going to define int a and I want to print this int system.out.println, that is a variable. Now we are going to check this one is possible or not. So I am going to build this, control B, what message it will going to show. So here showing that variable might not have been initialized. We have to initialize. A default value will not be generated or default will not printed after main method. So we have to initialize, give some 100. So I will initialized, that is we are assigning some integer to a variable. So we are saving that. So I will save. After that again we are going to build. So it's taking some time to. So it's showing that 100 here. Now after initializing, after assigning, it's printing. Now we'll check after class before main method, is that printing or not. Int a, non-static variables, int b. We are creating int b and control save. Again I'll substitute system.out.println, that is I'm going to access this int, that is non-static variables before main method in a given class. Is that printing or not? Now I'm going to build this. So here showing non-static variable b cannot be referenced from static context. Why? Because this all will come for int b after class. This all will be static variables. That static only will can print. So if you want to print, if you want to access this one, we have to modify it as static. So now we have changed this into static variables. That int might be static variable. Now control S. Now we are going to build this again. So now it is printing int a is 100 and static variable 0. So default value of int will be 0. If it is a static, we can directly access from main method without any problem. So here if it is a static, int data type will be static, then it can access. Then again, how to access int c? How to access int c without non-static variables also? It's possible to access, but how to access non-static variables from class to main method is simply we need to create one object, that is lab. Let's take lab L will be equal to new lab. So that one only we have to create. Here why I am creating lab here is, so here main method here class name is lab. For that I am creating new class object with L. So with the L we can access. So system dot out dot, that is system.out.println with we can access L dot, what is L dot? C. Here integer is C. Now non-static variable from class we can access with the creating some object. Now we'll see what is the default value of int C. We're going to build this. Now it's coming. See here, initializing in main method, initializing with 100, that is printing, and static variable from the main context, that is static context, we can print the default value of B without creating any object. And non-static also we can access by creating new class object lab and L. So we are accessing with the reference of L dot C. Here dot means we need to put entering, so entering C, or otherwise we can change this into some float. Here float value will check, non-static float value, control B, that is control bit. So here it's now changing 100, A, B will be static, that is 0, then float non-static L dot C, we are creating lab object here, so L dot C 0.0. So thanks for watching our videos.